back on Black Mamba Jeep, and this is part 2 of the wiring rescue. We're fixing the power window install on the doors. This is exactly why we don't use aftermarket power window kits that go over the crank. It's all plastic gears and they get stripped out. This Jeep only has 300 miles on it. This window's only been used once or twice, and check this out. So roll the window up and down. See that? The kit is brand new and already it doesn't work. This is exactly why we don't use these parts. And on top of that, look at the way they chopped up the door. If you use the factory parts from the dealer, they cost more, but you don't have to deal with this stuff. It's just ridiculous. So we got to remove all this, solder all the wires. I'm going to see if I can get the factory harness from the dealer. When you're using a good kit, it won't go over the crank handle like this. The kit that we use totally removes this, and it comes with a window regulator, and then it bolts in place using the 3 factory bolts, and it goes up and down just like factory. So it lasts 10, 15 years just like the factory does, not a month like this kit lasted. And then one of the reasons these kits go bad, you're not supposed to stretch these cables that far. It's supposed to be a nice light bend. Just bad news. These are the regulators that we're using. So it comes with a factory motor that bolts in place, and then the motor bolts into the regulator, and then you have trouble-free operation. This is going to last the life of the Jeep. Just takes a little bit of common sense. You can get all these parts from the dealer, or Electric Life makes a really nice kit for this Jeep too. But this is better than that. Don't do that. Wow, it's even worse on this side. Look what they did to hold the door lock actuator. That doesn't look factory. And that's not supposed to be done like that. You're actually supposed to cut the cable here and put the adapter in, but we're ordering the factory motor, so we won't have to deal with any of that. Oh my goodness gracious.